Before we begin, let me mention something important. This is not one of those meditations where I ask you to empty your mind, because honestly, if that worked, monks wouldn't exist. This meditation is not about forcing visuals, forcing feelings, or forcing yourself to do it right. It's about letting your imagination breathe again, the way it did when you were a kid and didn't overthink everything. You don't need talent, you don't need experience, you just need willingness. And the ability to listen without judging what shows up. Nothing is wrong if your mind wanders. Nothing is broken if you feel emotional. Just allow yourself to be guided, and let the experience unfold naturally. Let's get started with this guided meditation. Take a moment and let yourself arrive here. Not perfectly, not gracefully, just here. Close your eyes and relax. You don't need to clear your mind. You don't need to breathe in a special way. You don't need to fix anything that feels off. Just let the world outside this moment loosen its grip on you, even if only a little. Notice where your body is resting. Notice how it already knows how to be supported. The chair, the floor, the bed beneath you, doing their job so you don't have to. Let your breath come and go on its own. No performance, no improvement plan. Just air moving in and air moving out. And if your mind wanders, that's okay. That means you're human, not malfunctioning. Each time you notice it drifting, simply guide your attention back, like you would gently call a child home at dusk. No scolding, no urgency. Now, allow your body to soften, not because you told it to, but because it remembers how. Imagine gravity pulling anything heavy downward. Not dragging, not forcing, just quietly collecting what you no longer need to hold. Your shoulders don't need to hold the day anymore. Your jaw doesn't need to keep secrets. Your hands don't need to stay on alert. Let everything settle into its natural place. As your body settles, something else begins to happen. Your inner world becomes quieter. Not silent, just spacious. You don't have to see anything clearly here. Visualization isn't about creating pictures like a movie director on a deadline. It's about allowing impressions, sensations, a gentle sense of knowing. Now, imagine yourself stepping into a space that feels calm, open, and safe. A space that doesn't rush you. A space that has no expectations. This place doesn't need details to feel real. It simply feels right. In this space, you become aware of yourself. Not the version of you that's trying, not the version that's chasing. Just you, present, grounded, at ease. And somewhere within this space, there is a version of your life that already feels aligned. Not dramatic, not flashy, just steady, certain, natural. You don't need to look for it. Let it come toward you. Notice how it feels to stand here, as someone who belongs in their own life, as someone who is not waiting for permission. Feel the calm confidence in your body, the ease in your chest, the quiet sense of, I'm okay. This version of your reality doesn't shout. It doesn't beg. It doesn't chase signs. It simply exists and recognizes you. Stay with the feeling rather than the picture. The feeling is the language that understands you. If thoughts try to pull you away, let them pass like clouds. No need to follow them. No need to fight them. Now imagine your dream life, the life you want, and let that life enter into the aura. Let this feeling gently spread into your body, into your posture, into the way you breathe. You're not memorizing the state. You're remembering it. And know this, you can return to this space anytime. No ritual required, no perfect conditions needed. Now this dream life has already entered into your present life. Trust me, it has entered. The shift has started. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the weight of your body, back to the room around you. Gently move your fingers, your toes. Carry this calm with you, not as effort, but as presence. When you're ready, open your eyes and continue your day knowing something subtle has shifted. You didn't force anything, you allowed. And that's where things change. Take one more gentle breath and notice how you feel now compared to when you started. Not dramatically different, just slightly softer, more present, more connected to yourself. You don't need to chase this feeling or analyze it. Let it walk with you into your day, quietly influencing your thoughts, your reactions, your choices. Remember, visualization isn't about seeing perfectly, it's about feeling truthfully. You can return to this state anytime you need clarity, calm, or direction. Thank yourself for showing up today, and trust that what you connected with here is already working with you, even when you're not thinking about it. Those new here, I'm Amy, a manifestation coach and energy healer. Please don't forget to subscribe because I share manifestation methods that actually work.